This is the circuit diagram of digital code lock. In this, 4 D flip-flops are cascaded such that the output of one flip-flop is the input to the next flip-flop. The clock input of each flip-flop is connected to the password case and the clear input are connected to the wrong case. The data pin of first flip-flop is set to high. The working is as follows. Whenever the user presses the password keys in correct sequence, the high voltage present at the input of the first flip-flop is transferred to the output of the fourth flip-flop. Here, an NPN transistor is used that is acting as a NOT gate. So, the voltage at this point becomes low, and also this NPN transistor is acting as an amplifier. That is because the output current of a flip-flop is around 20 milliampere, but the current required to drive a relay is around 66 milliampere. So, the current is amplified and relay is activated. That switches on the load. Here, a DP-DT relay is used and this setup is made that makes sure that whenever the load is on, it isolates the relay circuit from the rest of the circuit. So, the load will not be affected by the number keys. While pressing the password key, if the user presses a wrong key, then all the flip-flops are cleared and voltage at this point becomes low. So, this relay is activated and buzzer is switched on. That gives a siren. And a DP-DT relay is used and this setup is made that will make sure that when the buzzer is on, this relay circuit is isolated from the rest of the circuit. So the buzzer circuit will not be affected by the number keys. Here, a power on reset capacitor is used to reset all the flip-flops whenever the circuit is switched on. To turn off the load or the buzzer, a key connected across the relay coil is used which turns off by bypassing the current. So, this is the circuit diagram and working of digital code lock.
Five volts DC power supply, digital code lock, security code, the bulb glows, turn off bulb, wrong code, siren, code to turn off siren, same code in reverse order, the bulb doesn't glows. Once you press wrong key, later you try pressing the security code, the bulb doesn't glows.